Yo, what's up, man? It's your boy Mr. 707. Once again, man, I'm bringing y'all another video, man, and this one is about my newest mod. That's right, man. As you can see right behind me, maybe you can't, I don't know. Look at the sunroof. Look at the sunroof. It should be in there. Can you see it? All right, I'm gonna stop playing with y'all. See it that well from this side. All right, look at the colors flip while we get there. This was a hard little mod. I ain't gonna lie to you, man. It might be because I had this decal sitting in the garage for a long time, and maybe because of the weather changing, it being in there during winter, during summer, during whatever, I don't know, man. But anyways, I'm gonna blame it on that because I usually don't struggle this much with modifications, but this took almost 2 hours probably. And then I had to finish it like the next day because I did it at night. It was supposed to be at least 60 degrees and it was like below 50, so I didn't get it to stick right. By the time I was trying to pull the top layer off, the decal was trying to come up with it. Man, I just had all kind of complications. But my advice to you is, as soon as you get it, just throw it on. Don't be like me, don't procrastinate. Another thing may be because I did not read the instructions, which I usually don't anyway. But if I would have just read the instructions or watched the YouTube video, I would have did this like so much. It would have went so much easier. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. So it was all on me. But anyways, I finally got it on. My wife helped me out. She did a lovely job. She was patient with me and we knocked it out together. So I got this product from Luxe Auto Concepts, man. I'm gonna put the website up there so y'all can look this thing up. I think I paid maybe $70-80 when I ordered it. I don't know how much it costs right now, but anyways, man, I think it was a nice little bang for the buck, a nice little mod, and I like it, man. It looks fresh on the car. What y'all think? Y'all let me know, man. Anyways, man, y'all please subscribe, like, comment, go ahead and share, and keep watching these videos for me, y'all. We going up. Let's get it.